Hello. Some time ago, I recorded a video on how to crochet this Christmas wreath, but I did not record how to crochet this ribbon. And a few people asked me to make this recording, so this is what I am doing in this video. I will explain how to make this bow to decorate the wreath. It is quite simple. We'll start here in the middle, and then we'll make a round of single crochet stitches and 2 rounds of these decorative elements. We will start with chain 7. 1, we are going to use this chain stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now a triple crochet stitch in the first of those 7. This way we made kind of a rectangle. One side of it is a triple crochet. The other side is 4 chain stitches that replace a triple crochet, and between them there are chain stitches, one here and one here. We will need to make 43 elements like this. Each one will start with chain 5. The first 4 chain stitches will replace a triple crochet stitch, and the last one will separate triple crochets. And now a triple crochet in the second from here chain stitch. This is the second rectangle. Chain 5 again, and skip 1 stitch, make a triple crochet in the next chain stitch. Now we have another rectangle, chain 5, and the triple crochet. Chain 5, and a triple crochet, skipping 1 chain stitch. So we will always be making those triple crochets in the 4th chain stitch. I have made 5 narrow rectangles, and I will stop at this. I do not need a long ribbon now, so I'm going to make just a small sample. You continue working, please, and make 43 of those rectangles, and then we'll continue working together. Now we'll be making single crochet stitches, 4 single crochets in each triple crochet, in each side of a triple crochet. So we'll start right away with a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single crochets in the next opening, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the next. This round is quite easy. Single crochets all the way around. 2, 3, 4. Except for those ends where we'll make 4 single crochets, 4 more here in the middle, working this thread in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 more on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now continue as usual, 4 single crochets. Don't need this thread anymore. This is 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we'll need to make 8 since we already have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 more at the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to finish this round, we'll make a slip stitch in this first single crochet, like this. In the next round, we'll be working in second and third single crochet stitches of 4, and we are going to be skipping every other opening. So let's start with this one. This is the second single crochet stitch. I'm making a single crochet there. Now chain 3 and a single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 4, a single crochet in the next single crochet in the third of the group. Chain 3 and a single crochet in the same stitch. This way, in the second and in the third single crochets, we made 2 single crochet stitches, and between them chain 4 and chain 3 on the sides. Between those groups that we are going to continue making, we'll make chain 4, and we'll be skipping 6 single crochets, and we'll continue working in the second single crochet of the next group, of the following group. Once again, I am making a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet in the same place, chain 4, a single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, and another single crochet in the same stitch, chain 4 again. We'll skip 6 stitches, and in the 7th, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, same stitch, chain 4, a single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, and a single crochet in the same stitch. Now in the following 6 single crochets, we'll just make single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we approached the second single crochet of this group. So I'm making a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, a single crochet in the same stitch. We are skipping the next opening, so we are making chain 4, skip 6 single crochets. In the 7th, make a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, a single crochet in the same stitch, chain 4, and make a group of a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet in the same place, and the last single crochets we are making is single crochet, stitch in stitch, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the slip stitch in this first single crochet, and this is it. In the last round, in each chain 3 space, we are going to make a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet. In this chain 4 space in the middle, we'll be making a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, something similar to what we did before. And now in chain 3 space, again a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet. Now chain 1, and we'll make a single crochet here in this chain 4 space, and chain 1, and we'll repeat in the chain 3 space, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, in chain 4 space, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 1, a single crochet in this big opening, chain 1, and once again a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, in chain 4, single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and in chain 3, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet. Here at the end of the ribbon, we'll make chain 1, skip the first of 6 single crochets, make 4 single crochets, stitch in stitch, chain 1, and on the other side in chain 3 space a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, in chain 4 a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and in chain 3 a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, then chain 1, a single crochet in this chain 4 space, chain 1. You continue working on this ribbon like this, please. At the end, do not forget to skip 1 single crochet, make 4 single crochet, stitch and stitch, skip the last one and make a slip stitch in this first single crochet of this round, and then cut off and weave in the thread. The ribbon, like the wreath itself, needs to be starched, ironed, folded in the shape of a bow, and attached to the wreath. I also added one big decorative bead here. And this is it for today. You can find the video of how to make the wreath itself on my channel. Good luck with your crocheting projects!